रूस और यूक्रेन के बीच आघोषित युद्ध हो रहा है, जिसके आक्रमण से अब तक सैकड़ों और हजारों कथित तौर पर मारे जा चुके हैं। इसी बीच यूक्रेन से एक दिल दहला देने वाली खबर और तस्वीरों ने पूरी दुनिया को झकझोर कर रख दिया है। रूस ने स्पेशल मिलिट्री ऑपरेशन के नाम पर यूक्रेन में एक तरफा सैन्य हस्तक्षेप शुरू कर दिया है और सोशल यूनिटी सेंटर ऑफ इंडिया ने आज बेंगलुरु में यूक्रेन में रूस के एक तरफा सैन्य हस्तक्षेप का विरोध जताया है।
Opposing this war, we are for peace. You know that always the big brother, that is America, will try to take up some issue and try to create war situation. But today, even Russia is not a small country, it is also an imperialist country. Once it was socialist country, USSR, now it became imperialist country. The war is going on because of the contradiction between two imperialist countries, and each one is trying to prove who is higher than another. And in between, Ukraine, a small country which is staying near Russia, and they joined Nato. And you know that Nato is only to maintain wars, not for the peace. Then when Ukraine joined Nato, America is actually encouraging Ukraine. Even Ukraine government need not have joined NATO, but Ukraine joined NATO, and for that sake, Russia need not declare the war. But today Russia declared the war, and several thousands died, and many of our Indians, several thousands Indians are staying, who are staying at Ukraine, they stuck in the country, and our government is not able to bring all of them, though it is making big claim. Today, you know that Modi government did not stop the war, did not go against the war, because they want to appease both the countries, and they abstained. They did not take any decision against the war. And equally we criticize Russia for it, because Russia is the root cause for declaring war.